Hello, I hope you have a wonderful day today and you have a lot of Agile insights. And today I'm going to tell you some stories and share my experience about Agile in sales. And please feel free to write any questions in our Slack chat. I'm going to answer. I'm going to be with you today. And let me share my presentation, please. I'm going to share my idea why Agile in sales is competitive advantage for your company. And I have more than 10 years experience in sales because I worked in sales department and my last job was head of sales department in huge bank. I'm from sales world. Last 6 years, I helped many companies around the world with Agile in sales in different cultures, in different areas like hospitality, healthcare, brokers, B2B, B2C, TV companies, different areas. In this slide, we have a lot of numbers, right? Because salespeople, they love numbers. It's their language. And if you decided, if you're from IT department or you're from another department and you would like to speak with them, please use numbers because this is sales language. And I believe that when we start Agile transformation, we need to involve our sales department from the beginning because I see many cases where Agile applied just in IT department only and salespeople, they never heard about Agile. And I believe that we need to involve them from the beginning. And if we invite them from the beginning, we will create more value for our customers. And here one takeaway for you, and this is my secret, okay, Agile secret for you. If we sell idea about Agile transformation to our sales department, we automatically will sell this idea to whole organization because our sales people, they will sell this idea to whole organization. The first step to explain that Agile, it's not just IT only, because sometimes I hear that Agile is just for IT, and we have great case studies about how IT people applied Agile, but salespeople think that it's just for software, some tools. The first step to explain that Agile it's for everybody. Agile it's mindset. Agile it's culture of company. This is a story about one company where Agile helps increase their sales from 33% to 127%. It's a story about how Agile helped to apply more than 1,500 new ideas, improvements, innovation in organization. And this story about how Agile helped to create competitive advantage for organization. And it was a small company, about 1,300 people, about 20 years old company, and they produced ceramic tiles and sell ceramic tiles. And you see revenue. And how we begin? We sales department did not achieve their sales goals, and I would say that now when different companies invite me as an Agile sales expert, they always say like, Marina, we have troubles with sales. After COVID, we have troubles with our business. And in this case, it was almost the same situation, but it wasn't COVID-19. It just, they had trouble with sales. The second thing, sales department did not collaborate with other department. And they didn't, they didn't have passion. They didn't have energy. They did not try to change something. Sometimes salespeople say like, we have bad product or it's expensive product and something like this. They always have explanation why they can't achieve their sales targets. The business owner of this company one day found a wonderful book. If you didn't read this book, I really invite you to read this book. It's a wonderful book. He found this book and he decided to apply Scrum in sales. But we applied Sway. Sway, it's sales with Agile system. It's adapted Scrum and sales in sales. And in this slide, you can see our, I will call it sales backlog. The main idea that from when we apply Agile in sales, compare with classic sales, that in Agile sales, we have big vision for sales, not just numbers, not just their bonus or KPIs. We have big vision. We have for sure profit numbers, goals or sales goals, because we from sales, we need numbers. It's our nature. But we're in our backlog, we have understanding about value proposition. We all the time thinking about our team. We explore strategic products, we explore strategic clients, we explore market strategy. We have our own budget in our sales, Agile sales team, because we have cross-functional, self-organizing team with their own budget. We had many difficulties, and all the time we have those difficulties. For example, Agile, it's about team. It's about self-organizing, cross-functional team. And salespeople, they don't know how to work in as a team. This is first difficult. Then managers, they really don't trust them. They all the time, they try to control them, command and control. And I understand them, because it's money, and all experiments, all changes, it's risks for them, right? And they really don't, they're not ready to trust the sales department, sales, Agile sales team in the beginning. And the next thing, it's the most difficult, I think, when we apply Agile or Sway system in sales. It's change their mindset and help them create value for customers instead earn money. And one more, it's difficulties in many companies, in healthcare, in hospitality, in brokers, everywhere around the world, in different mentalities. It's collaboration between sales and marketing, because sometimes I see lack of communication between sales and marketing. And in marketing, we have one sales funnel. In sales, we have another sales funnel. And in the middle, we lose our customers. We created common goal and common in team motivation. This is key for changing mindset in sales, change motivation, because historically, more than 100 years, sales department, they had individual KPIs. We change KPIs, and in Sway guide you can find information what kind of motivation do we have. But it's important create a common goal and common motivation. And in this story, they earn more than 85 million euro for this company for 1 year. And the interesting thing is that it was the same people. It was the same company, it was the same budget, but they triple their output. Yes, it was the same people, but they think differently. And what else? Okay, they increased their sales, but each team, not only this story, but all sales Agile teams, they apply more than 300 innovations or improvement per year. How it's going? Imagine that your sales team, Agile sales team, will have 1 week sprint, and each week they will have 1 hour retrospective, and in each retrospective they will create more than around 10 improvements for next sprint, and this is continuous improvement. And Agile in sales for sure it's increase profit and make business run better, because there are a lot of innovations, ideas, and another energy. But Agile in sales create satisfaction for customers. How? Because our sales, they try to ask our customers what they really need. And our customers, they appreciate it. They really became like our fans for our company. They really love us. They really involve in the process. They really see difference that the company hear them their ideas, and they have secondary sales. They speak about our company around the world, around the country, because they trust brand, they trust company, and they involved in process of creating product or service. And I believe that this is competitive advantage. I will explain why. In our crazy, I would say crazy world, it's very easy to copy your product. It's very easy to copy your idea or everything, right? But it's difficult to copy your, how to say it, your culture, how your employees thinking, how they are communicate with your customers. It's difficult to copy. And in this slide, you see all takeaways from my speech today, and I'm going to answer for your questions in our chat, and please find me in LinkedIn. I would love to answer for any questions. You could download Sway Guide, and you can just take a picture of this slide and share with your sales. But I would love to summarize several topics. The first idea, and I just share my experience. I'm sure maybe you have more ideas, but my experience, first thing, if we sell idea about Agile transformation to our sales department, they will sell this idea for whole organization because they're sales. But to sell idea about Agile transformation, please use numbers. If you go to sales department and say, guys, let's apply Agile and you will change your mindset, you know, I am not sure if your sales people will be happy about this idea. But if you came to your sales department and print them Sway Guide and say, guys, Agile, it's not only for IT. And today I was in amazing conference, and I heard that I heard that Agile helps triple your sales. I'm sure in this conversation they will pay attention, because do you remember my first slide? Salespeople love numbers. And one more takeaway, it's about motivation, because common motivation, common goal, it's critical for success Agile transformation in sales department, and because they need it. I'm not sure if I believe in individual KPIs anymore, but I believe in team KPIs, common KPIs. And the last thing, all changes start from within. But the main idea of Agile transformation and business agility, it's creating value for our customers. In Sway Guide, you will find all information. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I'm going to jump in our chat and answer for your questions. I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Bye.